You asked for it, so here it is. My first ever install on camera. Starting off with a wig cap, some freeze spray to hold that down. Personally, I think I added too much freeze spray. It took a while, but that's okay. So guys, I finish cutting off the excess cap, and why am I need a scissors? Like, scissors not work with me at all, people. Scissors not working with me at all. Nobody never tell me so I said this to like Adam. Like, why nobody never tell me this? I swear, this is some real work. Mighty God, big up to all of the wig influencers, them, cause y'all got to be changing wigs daily. Like, this is some real work. No man, in a real life, I kinda need a new scissors for true, cause it's not cute. Anyways, guys, so finally look like it's a come together, looking like a ball cap. You know, it's looking like a ball cap, and what may I tell you guys? This I fix my eyebrow cause I spend time doing my eyebrow for the video and the cap ruin it. But anyways, so guys, the ear kinda come together like a bit, like a, you know? Sweet, sweet man. Cause I have a little piece there, so. So guys, I don't know what is this, like what is this? So let me go with that. Like I just really had to laugh, like so guys, I'm gonna try all it do. In all honesty, the ball cap never did really work out at all. But you know, I'm just finish right here. So I have two salad more spray right here, so two salad more spray. Try what it do. Phone here guys, so me think everything alright, fine and dandy now. Me I put on some foundation to try make it look skin like. So I did that right across my head, and then it's gonna be time to install the wig. And guys, let me tell you, ball cap never did work out, but I'm still included in the video because it just slide off like it come off. Why nobody never tell me say spraying back got to be on top of it? To lay down the wig, I gonna make it lift up. Why nobody never tell me that? Anyways, let's continue. It look nice now, you know. No, you know. You know, wipe it off, wipe off the excess product with some alcohol. And guys, the spray something about that work. So I have to just take it off. So, you know, like a clown, I go spray more or something on it. It never work out, so I just jump straight into applying the wig. I wanna never did tell me say I said it's hard. Like, why you never tell me say I said it's hard? Anyways, let's continue. Not going to cite the sound such. I know guys, the wig never bleach now, nothing. You just go straight in with it. So here we are to the other side now. Guys, why the side them have to stop hard for hold on? Why spread till the kingdom come and tie down outside or something? See that? Guys, the side lift up shape. Like, what could I really cause that now? It no else there. Why? Anyways, so first I go along. So guys, I just hold it down till it's dry, then I apply a little scarf to hold it down. I'm gonna attempt to style it now. Guys, I'm gonna take the style really nice. You know, I'm gonna see them girls do it. I try to center it right now. I could have made my shot the center part, but who knows? So I get to the cane here. And at the center, like I'm gonna see the girls them too. And then we're gonna see what it's giving, okay? And girls, I'm gonna put the foundation on the scalp part because again the wig never bleach now. This I'm a little practice wig because you know me I try getting a little, you know? Yeah. So I'm gonna say about bobs, I'm gonna drop in a cane row right there, so but nobody never tell me say I saw it hard for how long your head and do them thing here. But yeah, next time we do this come back, we're gonna see the other one also. So that right, this is she. There's a struggle though, but so I get it done. Show you the end result soon, guys. So guys, it's just gonna be silence until I complete the styling process, and then I'm gonna show you after the cornrows. I'm gonna add it some. Yeah, I'm gonna get back to this. So it's gonna be a bit silent until then. So guys, this is the last corner, and then I'm going to just lay it down flat with some wax and my hot comb for you guys. Okay guys, so finishing up off with this tile. So we just did a few cane rows. Gonna cross it over to complete the look basically, and then smooth out the sides with my wax and hot comb so it's laying flat and nice. Okay, so just going in with the wax as I mentioned all over, and about to get the completed look. So I took off the the band, and it was not happy, it was not laying flat, so I just had to go in back with some freeze spray, and I just took out the pieces for my edges, which didn't turn out good, but okay. So here we are, just holding it in place again so it can stay down this time around. But so far the style is coming together. It is. It's coming together, guys. So just gonna allow that to dry and come back. Right? So allow this to dry down.